I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to achieve easy fat loss. We'll explore simple, actionable steps you can integrate into your daily life without feeling overwhelmed. The key is making sustainable changes that lead to lasting results, rather than quick fixes. By focusing on small, consistent efforts, you can effectively reduce body fat and improve your overall well-being. Let's dive into practical strategies. When it comes to nutrition, small shifts make a big impact. Try to increase your protein intake to around 0.7 grams per pound of body weight to help with satiety and muscle preservation. Aim to drink at least 64 ounces of water daily. Focus on reducing processed foods and sugary beverages, replacing them with whole, nutrient-dense options like fruits and vegetables. These simple changes can significantly support your fat loss journey. Boosting your daily activity doesn't mean hours at the gym. Aim for 7,000 to 10,000 steps each day by taking the stairs or walking during breaks. Incorporate 2 to 3 strength training sessions weekly to build muscle, which boosts metabolism. Find activities you genuinely enjoy, like cycling or dancing, to make movement fun and sustainable. Remember, consistency in moderate activity is more effective than sporadic, intense workouts. Finally, your mindset plays a crucial role in easy fat loss. Prioritize 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep nightly, as poor sleep can hinder progress. Effectively manage stress through techniques like meditation or deep breathing. Track your progress, not just on the scale, but also in how your clothes fit or your energy levels. Celebrate small victories along the way to stay motivated and maintain a positive outlook on your journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.